The playground window is split in two parts. The white area at the left is used to type commands, while the gray strip on the right shows in real time the results of what you type in the left part. For example, let's create a variable. var a equals 12. Now let's type this text in the left white area. Println hello world. We can't see anything in the gray area. Why? Because this statement prints a string to the console, a sort of virtual display area that is not visible at the moment. The gray area, as a matter of fact, holds more controls than we can see. The first dot is used to activate a value history that displays the content of variables but also the console output. And that's exactly where we find the results of our println statement. There is also a quick look button that can be used to inspect the content of a particular variable or object. While this might seem trivial for numeric variables, the quick look feature will be quite handy when dealing with graphic elements or UI views. Playgrounds are also quite handy when you need to catch errors. Let's say that instead of println we wrote printmm. Immediately a red dot pops up on the left, telling us that something is wrong. By clicking on the red dot, I can get more information on the error condition that was generated and fix it.